What's up everyone, I'm Luke.
And I'm Carter.
And I'm 18 and I just graduated high school.
And I'm 16 and I'm going into my junior year of high school. We design and make puzzle boxes like the pillar.
This channel isn't going to be just showing you the finished product. And every week we're going to bring you along and show you everything that goes into building this business from the ground up.
We'll show you the designing, printing, failed prototypes, sales, and hopefully some growth along the way.
We're still figuring a lot of this out, so we want to be completely transparent about what works and what doesn't, and how much money we spend, and how much this business can actually make.
So whether this turns into something huge or completely fails,
you'll get to see the entire journey. So this is how we started the business. So we're not trying to make it super polished. We're just trying to bring you guys along the journey with us and show you everything that it takes to start a 3D printing business. We're going to be posting these long form videos weekly as well as some shorts throughout the week for different quick updates. I'm really into engineering and this type of stuff, and I really like doing CAD. I learned a lot about it in high school. I printed some different puzzle boxes from other creators before, and I thought they were really interesting, and I thought I'd try it out for myself. And then I decided I would try making my own. So I designed the pillar, which is the current puzzle box that we have on our store right now. So far to grow our business, we've made all of our social media accounts on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and been posting some videos on there to start getting our product out there. I also put together our website. I use Claude and Lovable to put that together. Link to it's on our website if you want to check it out. We've got our first design for the puzzle box done, and we're in the process right now of working on the second one. We'll be releasing that second one here in the next week or so hopefully you guys will be able to see that pretty soon. We've also ordered all our packaging material so we can get our products sent out to you guys when we get orders. We've got stuff printing right now so we can have a stock of them, so when we get orders from you guys we can get them sent out to you right away. We're working on growing our channel as much as possible, and our goal is to hit 50 subscribers and our first sale by the end of the month. It takes about a week or two to design a new model, so our goal is to get 2 to 3 new puzzle boxes out for you guys each month to check out. We do know a little bit about what the new puzzle box is going to be like for you guys. It's going to be a bit of a twisted square almost with some new mechanisms I'm designing, and I think it's going to be a really good new design. We're going to be releasing more information about it in the next weeks as we get closer to launching the new puzzle box. We're editing all these videos and all of our product videos and ads in CapCut, and we're designing most of our models on 3D modeling software Onshape. We're going to go more into depth on all the software we're using for the business and the finances for starting it. We're starting this series at the very beginning, which means there's no guarantee this is going to work. But that's exactly why we want to document it. If you want to see what happens as we try to turn Paradox Puzzles into a real business, subscribe and follow along. And leave a comment telling us what part of the business you want us to go deeper in next.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.